Welcome home, home made by you. Welcome home, home made by you. Welcome home.
Tushbaby is a simple seat that sits right on your hip. All you have to do is open it up, take this elastic waistband and wrap it firmly around your waist. Fasten buckle until you hear the click. Then slide buckle into the locked position. Make sure it's secure and comfortable before you put your baby on. Once you confirm that it is, simply place the baby onto the seat. Beneath the seat is a large storage pocket. There's another pocket on the right side for your phone, and on the left for anything else you might need to take on the go. There's also one in the front for small items.
How's it going? My name is Chris Ng, and I'm the creator of the BedShelfie. You know, my entire life I've noticed that if there's one thing that we could all use a little bit more of, it's space. Big clunky furniture can make your home feel more like a cage. Sometimes finding something as simple as finding a place to put your nightstand can become quite the challenge. So I set out to create a solution that would work for everyone in every living situation. From the college dorm room, to the studio apartment, to the best of all, and my favorite, the bunk bed. This bedside shelf is easy to install.
Whether your drink is staring at you from the coffee table, balancing nervously on the sofa arm, or waiting to be knocked over on the floor, we have the perfect solution for you. ultimate drink holder for your sofa. Its sleek body wraps over the arm of your couch and holds all your favorite drinks, hot or cold. With an integrated mug handle slot and handy adapter, it makes light work of holding mugs, tumblers, bottles and cans.
Do cramped, painful feet ruined your day? Stop your pain now, discover YogaToes. And massage your fit. YogaToes are designed to stretch, spread and exercise the toes to realign foot structure, prevent and correct common foot problems, and strengthen the feet. The product may be helpful for people who spend much of the day on their feet or wearing restrictive footwear. Practicing yoga regularly can be just as effective as YogaToes. When it comes to stretching the toes and improving foot problems, still, yogis and orthopedic surgeons alike tout the benefits of YogaToes as an easy way to help care for your feet.
Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.